One of Dr. John Christopher's famous remedies for coughs was onion syrup. Onion syrup is one of the oldest and most effective home remedies for coughs, and one of Dr. Christopher's favorite, and so simple to make. Slice an onion in half moons as thin as possible and separate. Cover the sliced onions with raw, natural honey. Now, optional, to make it even better, you could add licorice fruit, horehound, or wild cherry bark. Heat over a double boiler and heat gently for several hours. And try to keep the temperature below 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, as the onions cook down, the honey will become thinner, the onions smaller and translucent. Strain the onions out. Now you can use cheesecloth, a reusable coffee filter, a mesh strainer, or I use a magical butter filter press. Now I invested in one of these about a year ago and I really like it. Take 1 teaspoon every 15 to 30 minutes or as needed. Now hold the syrup in your mouth and let it slowly trickle down your throat. Now this should keep in the refrigerator about 1 to 2 months. Now if it starts to smell off or show any signs of mold, discard it. Now if you leave the onions in, it will last 7 to 10 days in the refrigerator. Now coughing is a beneficial body response. Onions and honey is a great remedy for breaking up mucus in the lungs and the bronchicles. Now this remedy will work itself throughout the body. Now, if you are coughing and have a sore throat, it may be from the sinuses draining down the back of the throat. Along with the onion honey syrup, also add this horseradish remedy. A horseradish is one of the best remedies for sinus congestion. Take 1/8 to a quarter teaspoon 2 to 3 times a day of prepared horseradish. Even better, if you have fresh horseradish, is to blend the horseradish fruit with apple cider vinegar. And you might be an herbalist if you make onion honey cough syrup. Like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss any of these simple home remedies.